What's happening, Hardscapers? Another demolition day. We've got this one in behind us here, as well as this one in behind us here, and maybe even the side, finishing up the back as well, just getting as much as possible out so that we can start building here. Let's get into this. Okay, so yesterday what we did was we tore this out to about here. We got that lamppost out. We need to continue this as close to that tree without disturbing as many roots as possible there. In here, some of this is gonna just have to be done by hand, getting this river rock out, but getting this all out, we need to get our organics out. This was an existing paver pad, so I know that there's a gravel underneath that. We're gonna be doing gator base here, so we'll scrape out this top layer of sand, keep that a gravel, compact it, and then build up with gator base from there. This is going to be way overkill with gator base, but overkill is fine. Pool coping is all in, all around, minus a couple of pieces at those curves that will just be wiggle room when we go to actually adhere this. We even got some leftovers, which is nice. We're going to be just destroying this area here, saving a couple of plants, but this will be just completely gutted. Getting out as much as possible today. Okay, next step today is to remove one of these concrete sections. It is sloping towards the pool. It's where the diving board was. I kind of explained it early on in this project, so let's see how that goes. I've already saw cut it into 3 different sections, and now without forks on my mini skid steer, I'm gonna have to try to get my bucket under it, be able to lift it up without putting too much pressure on the pool liner and coping area. Let's see what happens here.
gets replaced. Cool. Seriously? Yeah. Touch that for a bit. Do you have your coffee cup done? You need the full drain anyway. No, they keep it full. Who replaces it? You? I'll get my electrician to come in and do it.
Well, there it is. Came out fairly well. Didn't put too much pressure on the inside here. And there's our light fixture down there that we actually cut earlier in this project. Again, cut it when I made my 3 sections here once again. I actually pulled this piece off and it started gushing out water from the pool. So that was a bit rough to try to get that back in before too much water came out there. But we were able to do that. I backfilled a little bit more underneath these pieces and we're good to start hopefully removing as much as this as possible before the day's out, before the bin goes. Well, I'm running out of time here. This is bin number 3, how full we got it here. We can still get a bit more in the back here. Just, I gotta get moving to fill this more. But look at this mess. This is what's holding us back today. Costing us some time. Normally, I put plywood down, but when I started the project, I thought, you know what, this is just gonna get ripped out anyways when we put the side walkway in. But now I'm regretting that because of how it is and how much time it's taking us to get through here now. I'll probably line it with gravel and try to do my best to get that through. Today, we got a little bit of these plants out, a little bit of that garden, this garden, we got that section out, we got more of the back retaining wall part area out. We're having to dig quite a bit to get rid of our organics here. You can see that this is the gravel base from the retaining wall, and then this is still our organics. So we are gonna have to build that up quite a bit with more gravel for that, but the base of the retaining wall will actually be 3/4 inch clear, as well as the backfilled area, as well as the French drain that it'll tie into and out the side there. Thank you for watching today's video. I really appreciate you tuning in, watching each of these episodes if you are. If not, you're gonna see a playlist pop up somewhere here and it'll have all of the videos from this project from start to finish. Eventually it will finish. Today was a little bit discouraging with how wet it is, but we did get quite a bit done still. Like this video if you found it helpful for whatever reason or entertaining, whatever that might be. Comment below any questions that you might have in this process, what you would do maybe differently. Anything that you want to add there, I will respond to anybody and everybody. And subscribe to this YouTube channel for more hardscaping content like this. Thank you so much for watching.